Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about Jacquard cast out. How we cast out the hooks as per our ends per inch. So if normally you have a setup of Kumber board that is for example 168 Kumber board you have on your Jacquard, that means 168 hands per inch you can take on that loom, but sometimes you want to make only 84 hands per inch on the same Jacquard setup. So for that you no need to go for change the harness. You just making this file of Jacquard cast out, then you get 84 ends per inch, but the repeat size of the uh, one repeat size is as your hooks, total number of hooks divided by 168. Total number of hooks, one repeat, total number of hooks divided by 168, that you get the one repeat size. And same, if you cast out the loom to 84 ends per inch, the repeat one repeat size will be same as 168. I think you understand this. If you have any doubts about this, you can comment on this video. I will reply for that. So but just you what you have to understand is here how we cast out. Cast out is nothing but leaving of ends. Like for example, I am taking here, I have a Jacquard of 268 hooks and extension hooks are 32. Total the Jacquard is 2720 Jacquard hooks I have. This extension hooks you get weft feeders and cramming and etc. You can get in this extra hooks. Function hooks also you get if you require. And this is height of the Kumber board you can set here. You just check on your loom. You know that one on the Kumber board, one line 16 hooks will 16 walls are there in the Kumber board. That means 16 hooks will come on the this one line. So this much of our Jacquard is 2688. Okay, and reed is 168 ends per inch. So you just divide with your Jacquard hooks how much you are using for design. Normally what we do is in this 2688 hooks we can also divide selvage hooks and body hooks. So remaining hooks may be empty because we take it is as 2400 hooks for design repeat and remaining hooks for selvage, and some hooks we leave it as empty. So I'm just going to make one layout like 1 to 144 hooks for selvage. This is manual layout. I am just adding here. I just going to show you 144 hooks I taken here for selvage, and other 145 hook number to 2400 hooks. I am taking this for design hooks. Okay, apply. You can see from here, this is 145 hook number, this 2400 hooks. It means 2544. Remaining 2545 to 144 hooks for selvage. This is right side selvage and that is left side selvage, you can see. And here you can add your function hooks like uh, 2689 to feeder hooks, webbed selector hooks. This is feeder hooks, selector hooks. I am taking here 8 hooks, and one hook I can add here for cramming. 1 or 2 you can add. 2697. This is on off. On off is nothing but cramming hook. This is for just example. I have make one loom file. This is for full read. I am using full cast or full all hooks are I am using up to 2400 hooks. This is normally we use 168 ends per inch. Our Jacquard is maximum capacity of ends per inch is 168. Total number of hooks for body is 2400. Total Jacquard hooks that are 2688 plus 32, 2720 hooks have in this Jacquard. So this is for 168 ends per inch loom. But in this loom you want to make 84 ends per inch. How you can do that? Cast out. Cast out. This all hooks are running in the 168 ends per inch. If you want to 84 ends per inch, what it exactly of 168. So you can leave one after one. It means you can draw ends. First hand will be drawn. This will be the second. This is empty hook. In the loom we have harness. So that every alternate hand will be drawn by hand warp thread, and every alternate end of every alternate hook will be empty. That means in the Jacquard loom we alternately drawing the warp end 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. 2, 4, 6, 8 will be the empty hooks. That's what you have to make here. Then you can apply that. See how we cast out this loom. Manual layout. Here you have to give hook number. I am going to only change body. So body only we get the design. So in this body only I want to 84 ends per inch. So now what I do is for first come here, and here what you have to do is rhythm you select. Just you type here length 2, you get here hook number. Length hook number is 1, 2. Okay, this is 1, 2. Length is 1, 2. Now this hook is filling with warp end. This hook will be is not filling with warp end. If you want to fill this, you can just click. you don't want to fill this, you just keep empty this, and this hook will be you can take this hook, you can take warp drawing. So now I am going to just apply. What will happen here, every alternate end will be empty. You just check, this will be happen here. Now check carefully, see, 8 means 1 2 3 4, but hook number is 1 is drawn with warp thread, other hook is empty. This in this hook there is no warp hand. If you take full of this, you get 168 ends per inch. Now what happen here, in the same harness cast out, we just leave one empty after one. Every one empty we are taking only one. So it means it is equal 168 divided by 2, you get 84 ends. So total hooks, how much here it is taking, 1200. 1200 it means 1200 it means actual total number of hooks of this design, this jacquard is 2400 for body, but we are only taking 1200 because our fabric have only 84 ends per inch. That's why I will leave one after one. I am taking this hook for thread, and this is I am keeping empty in the jacquard loom. This is how you can tell your drawing people, they will understand and they draw like this. And also you have to make the web thread also as per 84 warp threads, warping beam also you can make like you can make with 84 ends per inch. So in the same loom you don't change any harness in the physical of loom, you just change here in the loom editor, you just cast out the loom. So this is very helpful to us like saving money and saving time by changing of harness. And also you can just make any ends per inch below the 168. You can just calculate how much ends per inch you want, and you can just make the rhythm here. You can make rhythm and how much you want to use hooks for ends for 1 inch, how much hooks you don't want to use for 1 inch. I can also make 56 ends per inch. You just divide with 168 divided by 3, it comes 56. Okay, now here what I did is just in the rhythm 3 length height have taken here 3. So every end, one end will drawn in the hook and other 2 ends will be empty. You just see, apply this. By applying this, you just see 800 hooks only we are using in this 2400 hooks, because we get only just, we want only 56 ends per inch. That's why this if you want to use only coarser counts, you want to only 56 ends per inch on the fabric. So you can just cast out your jacquard like this. If you want to more than 84, you can also do like this. See, I am just going to apply here in the 3. You see how much it will getting, 1600. It means 120 6 ants per inch will come. I am using 2400. I am using 1600 hooks. So I can get how much ants per inch? One third I am using. One third, it means 84 plus 84 ants per inch for half, and another 400 hooks. How much will get? You just calculate here. 2400 divided by 168, it comes 14.28. The repeat of this harness is only 14.2, but 1200 divided by 14.2, how much will getting? 84. Same 1600 divided by 14.2 inches. So you get 112 ants per inch for this. We also see that 800 also we saw, divide with 14.2, how much you get? 56 ants per inch you get. Like this you can calculate, and you can easily cast out your jacquard without changing of harness and wasting of time. You can easily save, and you can easily change the jacquard if you know this process. I think this is very helpful to you. If you have any comments, you just type on this video. I will reply for that. If you like this video, please share this video and like this for motivating me. Thank you so much.